Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, you'll understand our question. The program is to accept the R cross C character matrix and the string yes as the input, and then print the name of the edge where the string yes is present in any order, that is both forward and reverse. And if the string is not present in any of the edge, then we have to print -1 as the output, and the order of the search will be from top and then right, bottom, and then left. So first, the programmers accept the or cross C character matrix and the string yes as the input, and then print the name of the edge where the string yes is present in any order, that is both forward and reverse. And if the string is not present in any of the edge, we have to print -1. And the order of search is top, right, bottom, and then left. So now we'll take our first test case. So here we have a 6 cross 7 matrix, and this is the string yes. So now the top edge of the matrix is this, and the right edge of the matrix is this, and the bottom edge of the matrix will be this, and the left so the left edge is QJ PHC K. So now these are the edges of the matrix. Now we are going to check whether string yes is present. We'll start from top. So here it is not equal to string yes. So we'll move to the right edge. So in right edge we have active, so which is same as the string yes. So we'll print right as the output. And also if it is not present in right, we'll go to bottom. And if it is not present in bottom, we'll go to left. If it is not present in any of the edges, we are going to print -1 as the output. Also for the reverse of the string yes, that is EVITCA. So we are going to also check for this string in any of the edges as given in the question. Now we'll understand the logic of this program. First, we have to accept the input integer R and C representing the number of rows and columns, and then we'll accept the character matrix, and then we'll get the string yes. So now after getting all our inputs, now we are going to define the edges, that is the top edge means the matrix of 0. So we'll use join to convert it to string, and then for the bottom edge will have the matrix of -1. So matrix of -1 is in a list. So we use join to convert it to string. So after this, we have right edge where the condition is not similar. So here we have matrix of row, that is for each row, the last column, and for row in range R. So for the right edge, we'll have the matrix of row and -1 for row in range R. And then for the left edge, we'll have row, and instead of -1, you'll have 0 because it is first column. So these are the edges. And now if the string yes is in top or the reverse of yes is in top, then we are going to print top as the output. Elif. So we are going in the order, that is top, right, bottom, and left. So the next one is right. So if the string yes is present in right or the reverse of the string yes is present in right, then we are going to print right. And in the same way, the next one is bottom edge. So we have to print bottom, and we have the condition for the left edge, and in the else part we are going to print -1 if the string yes or the reverse of string yes is not present in any of the edge. So first we are defining the edges of the matrix, and then we are checking whether the string yes or the reverse of the string yes is present in the edges, and if it is not present, we are going to print -1 as the output.